We are going to review finding intercepts algebraically. So we're supposed to find the x and y intercepts without using a graphing calculator. So y-intercept is actually always easier to find, so we'll find that one first. To find the y-intercept, x is 0. So I'm just going to plug 0 in wherever x is. All of this will turn out to be 0, so my y-intercept will be negative 12. Recall that you should write these as ordered pairs because they are points on a graph. All right, now I need to find my x-intercept, and y is going to be 0. So 0 equals x squared plus 4x minus 12. We have to factor. I need two numbers that multiply to 12 that are 4 away from each other. Set each part equal to 0. And solve. So my x-intercepts are negative 6, 0 and 2, 0. All right, number 2. Again, we want to find the x and y intercepts. I will do the y-int first. X is 0. We're going to speed this one up, so I'm putting 0 here and putting 0 there. All of that will 0 out, so I end up with 0, negative 17. X-intercept, y is 0. Okay. This one here, I can tell you that there are not two whole numbers that multiply to 17. They're going to be decimals, and so we're going to need the quadratic formula. So 0 equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. A is right here, it's 1, b, and c. So negative 4 plus or minus the square root. B squared will be 16 minus 4 times 1 times negative 17. All over 2, 2a. 2 times 1 is 2. I'll put the times 1 here so we can see that. All right, calculating all of this in here. 4 17. So 17 and 17 is 34. 34 and 34 is 68. 68 and 16 is 84. Square root of 84 is 9.17. Two versions because of the plus minus. I'm going to plus that and then minus that. And then we end up with 2.585, comma 0 and negative 6.585, comma 0. And there it is.